When we moved to this house, there was quite a lot of work to do, but we definitely felt like there was a huge potential here. I've always really been aware of the impact that a space can have on you and your mood and the way you show up for other things. Coming home to a safe, happy, light, airy space that makes me feel calm and restorative was really important. So I feel like enormously grateful that we've been able to achieve that. I think the island has totally changed the way that we live. So having the children sitting there, and we can cook and be all together, that's really made it feel like a family area. But also the pantry, because the pantry's just my pride and joy. Functionally, it just works so well, but also it just feels like such a treat. Having guests around, the kids playing in the garden and us cooking, that whole buzz of having people around means a lot. Coming down really early in the morning when the light's coming through this window behind me, especially if the children are still in bed and I can have a cup of tea at the island, looking out at my garden at all these different angles. That's exactly what I wanted, those moments of peace. I need to be able to come home to a space that can help me recover and restore and take stock and be grateful. And actually the main thing I feel now when I'm in this room is grateful. Having this for the kids, for the memories we make here, for us as a unit, that's what this is for.